Hi everyone, I'm Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia and you're watching Telereporter.
Choti Sardani fame Nimrit Ahluwalia got in a conversation with Telereporter and took a fun segment where she spoke about her year 2021 and the upcoming year 2022. Watch the entire segment to know it all. A skill you want to learn,
I think this year I want to learn how to play an instrument. Hmm. Maybe guitar. Yeah.
a place you want to travel to,
Somewhere to the hills.
a habit you want to break,
So I have this really bad habit ki, I tell myself that I'll take a break and I'll give my body a break. And जिस दिन मेरी छुट्टी होती है मैं और काम कर रही होती हूँ and then I keep cribbing how I'm perpetually tired. So I think taking out time for myself is something that I want to break.
a habit you want to adopt,
A new habit, I think taking care of my health, whether it's my skin, whether it's my physique, or just general well-being. I think that is something that I want to, yeah.
a project you would like to finish,
Project I would like to finish, like I don't know about finishing a project, but I do know that I would love to take on new projects this year. Break from what I've been doing, doing other things apart from this. Yeah.
a class you would like to take,
A class I would like to take. I would love to take like a pottery class and also contemporary, a dance class. Yeah, that's something I would enjoy.
emotionally how you grew this year,
Oh, I've grown so much this year. The year began with me being very low, with me being too exhausted with the work that I was doing. And it also led to a situation where I did not feel mentally at a very great space. And I think this year has been a turning point for me because I've realized that mental health is so important and is so underrated. So yeah, it's been a great ride when it comes to my EQ.
the best gift you received this year was,
The best gift, honestly, I think just the universe, surrounding me with my people and positivity has been the best gift. Because when you feel lost in life, and no matter how successful or unsuccessful, or no matter what your professional life is, but I think it is very important to have a strong set of people who kind of anchor you. So I think in that sense I've been very lucky, and I think that's the best gift that universe has given me, is to have my people around me.
the nicest thing someone did for you this year.
There's so many nice things that have happened. Um, the nicest, that's a little tricky. But the small things that people do, whether it's just being there when I have a bad day or doing something unexpected. Usually when there's an occasion, everybody does something. But on the non-occasional days, there have been days, when, someone has probably gotten me something, or just small gestures.
The nicest thing you did for someone this year.
I think being honest, because I feel like this year I've been more honest with myself, and so I've been able to be more honest with people around me. And I think the best thing that you can do in any kind of relationship, whether it's with your parents, whether it's with your friends, whether with your colleagues, is to just be honest and be mindful of your interactions with them.
If you could change one thing about this year, what would it be?
Well, honestly, I don't think I would want to change anything, because it's the lows of this year which resulted in me feeling or experiencing the highs of this year. So it's been a great ride. I think it has been a very momentous year for me in my 27 years of existence, because I think I've grown a lot, personally and professionally both.
A new food or dish you tried this year.
Oh, I've started loving sushi so much that I'm literally ordering sushi from Chin Chin Chu every day. Guys, you have to try it.
A new friend you made this year.
I think a new friend that I made this year is my co-actor. Um, but I have made actually a lot of new friends at work, especially, with the new cast that we had and the new ensemble of people that came together. So, whether it's my brothers in the show, or getting to work with Vibha GM, and although she was a mentor before, but now I feel like I've gotten to know more people thanks to this place.